Hey teachers, I am going to show you a quick tutorial on the Lexia program and to look at data. So here on Clever is the student's side of Lexia, but down here is the teacher side. So we're going to click on that. And of course, it will open up the page for you. This is my homeroom, but you can see here listed that I have all three sections that I teach for 4th grade. When looking at this, it's first going to have the students' names, and then it's going to tell you what grade level they are, how many total minutes they have, their target that they need. Of course, each one is different based on their auto placement, and then any other time that they need. Over here are the units that they have gained for this week, and then the target that they are trying to gain. Of course, the bigger units means that they have more ground to cover. Up here, you have the usage, so this is telling you how many more minutes they need to meet their target. You have one that needs instruction. This is for students, and it says it, that are not progressing and may benefit from teacher-led instruction. So when you click on this lesson, it will open up a tab that you can print and go over that particular lesson with the child so that they gain a better understanding of it to be able to pass it in Lexia. Skill builder lessons are students that have mastered it but could use some more help or just to further on their instruction enrichment, basically. So this particular student had completed it, but here's more things that they can do to further their learning and reinforce and extend their skills, as it says. And then, of course, certificates up here are students that have met that level, and that is a way that you can reward them. Now, what I want to show you that I think you are going to like is the skills progress. This shows you, again, by your classroom, where they are. So this particular student is already on the 4th grade, almost 5th grade level, whereas this one is on the 2nd grade level. And of course, if you hit this, it says units to target. So then it is your lowest students here, all the way up to the highest. And over here, if you click by the instructional priority, it will bring up the student that is the highest priority that you will need to focus on to grow them. And then one more thing is you can click on this standards report, and it will bring up your standards by your grade level. So here's 3rd grade and the students that have met it. And then I can go back to 4th grade and see the students that have met it or not met it. And again, I can click on each standard, and then that will list the students that haven't all the way up to the students that have. I find this report very interesting. Of course, as it gets closer to testing for our upper grades, standards are going to be important, and who's met it and who hasn't. So that is all. I'd like you to go back to your classroom screen and complete the next step. Thank you.